Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. If I put number 1 going here and here, you got about cosine of b over 2. This is about number 0. 1 minus 1, you got about 0. So we have 0 over 0. So we can use about L hospital. That means we can do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So first derivative of this one, you got about negative b over 2 sine of b over 2s. First derivative of this one, we got about negative 1 over 2 with the square root of s. Because first derivative of the square root of s, you got about this one, but we have the negative sign. That's why you got about the negative in here. Number 1, you got about 0. First derivative of cosine, you got about negative sign, but we have b over 2s. That's why you got about b over 2 in here. Now, we need to simplify negative. So, when I put s approach to number 1 going here and here, you will have the final answer. We calculate about this one, and you got about b. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.